We're going to show you how to get the Aliexpress way coupon codes completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you're on the Aliexpress way website on your PC or mobile device, and you want to click under here to enter a promo code under the checkout tab. Now go to any of the website, just type in Aliexpress way coupon codes. And as we can see, we're going to grab this one, 5%, click copy, or you can click highlight and then copy the code. Go back to Aliexpress way and then paste the code and click apply. Now sometimes you might get an error saying this coupon code is for single use only. In this case I have 2 items instead of 1 here. So just make sure that whatever coupon code you get on Aliexpress way, it will apply for that specific item. There's other codes here on this website, retailme.not. $4 off, $12 off, $5 off, $10 off. Here's the code, and then you can copy the code and go back to Aliexpress way and then apply the code completely for free.